By the end of this video, you will be able to build a Kafka-to-Trash data flow that reads records from a Kafka topic and validates the dataset by routing all records to the trash target. In enterprise streaming environments, data reliability is critical. When data moves between systems, teams must be confident that records are transferred completely and accurately. Even when a data flow appears successful, it's important to verify that the expected records actually exist in the target system. This validation step helps prevent incomplete datasets from reaching downstream analytics or operational systems. Using the trash target in real-time streaming within IBM data integration, teams can quickly validate data movement without committing records to a database, file system, or messaging platform. Let's begin with a common scenario. In the previous lab, you copied streaming data into a new Kafka topic. Everything appears to have completed successfully, but you want to confirm that the expected number of records actually exists in the topic. Instead of writing the data to another system, you can create a simple data flow that reads the topic and sends all records to the trash target. The trash target discards records, but it also provides visibility into the number of records received. This makes it an effective tool for validating data without storing it elsewhere. In addition to validation, the trash target can serve as a temporary placeholder while designing or testing data flows. Now that we understand its purpose, let's build the data flow. Return to Stockco project page and click New Asset, and then click Create a real-time streaming data flow. Enter the data flow name as Kafka-to-Trash, select the environment, and then click Create. Once the data flow canvas opens, add the Kafka multi-topic consumer stage as the source. This stage allows the data flow to read streaming messages from a Kafka topic. Next, open the configuration panel for the source stage. Enter Kafka:1992 in the broker URI field and connection section. Then, in the topic list field, enter Online Sales Kafka. This is the Kafka topic created in the previous lab. Now switch to the data format section. Set the data format field to JSON so the incoming records are correctly interpreted. After entering these values, click Save to apply the configuration. At this point, the data flow is ready to read records from the Kafka topic. In the next step, we'll add the trash target to validate the dataset without writing it to another system. Next, add the trash stage as the target. Use the search field to locate the trash stage and select it to add it to the data flow. The trash target discards incoming records, but it still displays how many records pass through the data flow. This makes it a useful option for validating data without storing it in another system. At this point, the data flow configuration is complete. Click Run to start the job. Once the job begins running, click the Show Run Metrics icon to monitor the real-time metrics. Observe the record count as the data flow reads records from the Kafka topic and sends them to the trash target. After the record count reaches 15,391, click Stop to end the job. This confirms that all records from the Kafka topic successfully passed through the data flow, validating the dataset without writing it to another system. You've now validated a Kafka dataset by building a Kafka-to-Trash data flow. This technique provides a quick and safe way to verify record counts without writing data to another system. It's especially useful during development, testing, and troubleshooting. Now it's your turn. In the next activity, access the provided lab environment and create your own Kafka-to-Trash data flow to validate the records from the previous lab.